lightning strike?
Yeah, it set off the propane tanks.
Our little nephew lost his mother in the fire.
You folks sure have my sympathies. I can see how hard it's been on you. The insurance settlement should make things easier, but we've declared your trailer a total loss. This should give you a chance to start fresh.
It's not exactly what we paid for it.
Well, it's depreciated in the years you've owned it, Mr. Green. We've given you fair market value. You should be able to find something that fits your needs.
Maybe we can use the money to repair this one.
No. If you accept the settlement, the trailer belongs to us.
Well, it's all yours.
And here's your check, Mr. Green. Good luck, and if you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Mrs. Green?
Erasmus, what's going on?
Oh, Rufus.
I didn't know the lightning wrecked your roof.
Oh, that old roof's been needing help for a long time. And they made me an offer I couldn't refuse.
Well, I wish you'd talked to me. I'd have been glad to help.
I know that, Russell. But you got a lot on your mind.
Mr. Jones.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
I'm Don Hale from Shea Roofing.
Mm-hmm.
Can you answer a couple questions for me about the roof?
Yeah.
Well, at least we don't have to listen to Josh complain about his lumpy mattress anymore.
We're doing the right thing here. You know, hauling kids around like gypsies. Is the trailer burning up some kind of sign?
Well, it seems to me that your signs are a whole lot clearer. I mean, they come right up and talk to you. Russell, the angel told you point blank what we should be doing, and until we hear differently, we'll go get another trailer and keep on going.
I think we can finish up by about 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Tough break losing their trailer like that. Nope. It's an opportunity, brother. Everything's an opportunity.
My name is Russell Green. Maybe you passed me and my family out on the highway. Maybe you were driving some fancy sports car or an old beat-up four-door. Or maybe you've had some hard times like us and you're out on the road with your house hitched up behind you and America the Beautiful up ahead. But whoever you are, you be sure to give us a wave next time you drive by, because we're your neighbors and we're all on the road together. New, 1990, 27 feet, all appliances.
How much?
Too much.
You know, I should have brought these in last night. We had a hot freeze. Could be we're in for a cold one.
Yeah, well, it is getting to be winter.
You know, as far as I'm concerned, y'all could stay put until spring. I sure could use the company.
You'd have more than you'd want. If Dinah and Josh weren't spending the week at my mother's, we'd be tripping all over each other right now.
But we sure do appreciate the offer. Thank you.
I don't think you're gonna find what you're looking for here in Chicory Creek.
We're starting to figure that out.
Gotta go to Lexington or Knoxville.
Those roofers are really making a lot of noise. We've got to do something about them.
Right. Gotta let them finish their work.
Well, I'm off to my little temporary job, which is getting more permanent every day. Are you coming with me?
No, I think I'll just hang out here for a little bit.
Let me rephrase that. You're coming with me.
We're going trailer shopping today, so we won't be here when you get back.
Oh,
Yeah, it's looking like an overnight trip to Lexington.
Would you like to come with us?
Sure.
absolutely not. An overnight trip alone do you both a world of good. And I'll have some lovely private time with my grandson.
Mr. Green.
Yes, sir.
My name's Don Hale.
Hi.
How you doing? I hope you won't think that I'm out of line here, but I heard all about your trailer, and, well, sir, if you're looking to replace it, I might be able to help.
What'd you have in mind?
I got a cousin in Knoxville. He's got a trailer he's looking to unload before the bank repossesses it, and it's about the same size as the one that they towed away from here, only newer.
Well, we're kind of limited on what we can spend.
Well, he's in trouble. If you're in trouble, I just figure that you two can help each other out.
Lexington, Knoxville, you got a preference?
He's got a cousin that has a trailer for sale in Knoxville. I say let's go.
I'm headed there myself as soon as we wrap this up. Listen, give me a call tomorrow, and we'll go have a look.
Oh. Thank you, Mr. Hale.
Don,
Don.
please.
Thanks for bringing me here again, but you're gonna be late for work.
What's a few minutes? Is it something this important? You miss your mama, don't you? I miss your grandpa, too. You know what the most important things in life are?
Huh?
Love and death.
Why?
Because love makes it wonderful. And death makes it precious.
I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you one day, aren't I?
Yes, you are.
I hate when people die.
We all do. It's because people don't really understand what death is all about. You understand more than most.
I do?
You saw an angel come to take your mother. That should be a great comfort to you. You know where she is? You know that she loves you?
The angel said that God loved me too.
That's the greatest comfort of all. I'll tell you a story about that. I'm sorry I'm late, but we had to make a stop.
If she's in any trouble, it's my fault.
Oh, then I'll punish you. 40 lashes with a licorice whip. What do you think?
Isn't that kind of harsh?
Somebody cleaned out the whole top shelf of the display case. Turned my back for 2 seconds.
When did that happen?
Yesterday.
You need a security guard.
And who would that be?
That would be me.
Oh, my.
Thank you, Nathaniel. You'll be our lookout, okay? Can I help you?
I hope so. Heard you've got penny candy.
Right this way.
Not impressed?
Pull a 20 out, I'd be your friend for life.
Nathaniel!
Here's a down payment. It's all right. The ravages of inflation.
Inflation has hit the penny candy market, too. Our prices now start at a dime. Is something the matter?
Oh, quite the contrary. I apologize for my rudeness, but I was looking at you against the window, and the way the light hit your face, it's not very often I see someone who takes my breath away.
There goes mine.
I'm Patrick Shea. Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Hattie Green. Oh, Shea. Patrick Shea. Roof and repair.
That's me.
We're staying with Erasmus Jones. You're fixing his roof?
Well, I'm delighted to hear it. That gives us a reason to cross paths again. Blackjacks.
I beg your pardon?
I'm looking for blackjacks.
Oh, I haven't seen those for years.
They're very hard to find. But I always keep my eyes open. Every so often, I get lucky.
Why don't you just do your magic trick and make it come out of your ear?
Nathaniel, go sweep up the storeroom.
It's all right. What do we have here? It's a penny, but not just any penny. It's an Indian head penny.
You did this trick already.
Watch carefully. We put it in the grinder.
It's in your other hand.
Nope. It's gone. You better look in your pocket.
Whoa. How'd you do that?
I'm very sneaky.
So, now, what do you think? Isn't it everything I said it was?
Oh, it's roomy, all right.
Sleep 6, clean, good condition. Now, you sign those papers, we'll hitch it up right now.
Well, thank you. We really do appreciate your time, but I believe we're gonna keep on looking at it.
Well, now, I will beat any deal. You just give me a chance.
We'll get back to you.
I'll be waiting for your call.
We've seen 4 perfectly good trailers, and I don't see us living in any of them. I feel like I'm collecting salesman's cards.
I think maybe we're just having a hard time letting go of the old one. You want to try to squeeze in one more dealership?
I want to go to a motel, put my aching feet into bed.
Put your aching husband into bed.
Alex and Katie arrived at the pond at precisely the same instant and dove headfirst into the bracing cold water. The stegosaurus hid behind the boulder so the children couldn't see him. But when he looked out, he got so lonely watching the children jump into the water and splash. Oh dear. Oh, my. Oh, there's another one. Here, you take this and I'll try to take this. Let's see. Here, oh, here's more. Oh, there's another one over there.
Is it raining in here, too?
Pouring. Oh, are we getting drenched here?
Oh, here's another one too.
Oh, no. My new roof. The whole house is leaking.
Cecil was right. They've taken over the entire campground.
There he is now.
Well, there is the skunk.
Your turn. Get her in there. Let's go. Okay, good. All right, here we go. Over there. There we go. Go ahead.
Well, if it isn't the beautiful lady from the Mercantile. Hattie, isn't it?
You and I are not on a first-name basis. Not having spent the whole night listening to dripping into pans from that shoddy new roof. You know how many buckets I emptied last night?
I emptied one too.
What this lady and her grandson are trying to say is that the work you did on my roof is less than satisfactory.
Less than satisfactory. It's a disgrace, an atrocity.
And it's bad too.
I see.
Is that all you're going to say? I see. I'm not moving from this spot until I know what you plan to do about it.
Actually, I was going to apologize.
Words. We need action. This man deserves a new roof.
I couldn't agree more.
You couldn't?
I assure you the roof will be done to your personal satisfaction and Mr. Jones's and your grandson's.
Nope. No more of your tricks.
What I can't understand is, why wasn't the job done right the first time?
It's the young people these days. You've got to watch over them or they'll do things halfway.
I know a lot of young people who take pride in their work.
Give me their names and I'll hire them. In the meantime, I have to deal with the workers I have, most of whom, sad to say, are relatives. Michael. I believe you worked on Mr. Jones's roof.
Why, yes, I did. Is there a problem?
The problem is the roof is unsatisfactory. Your work was substandard, and I won't tolerate it. And you know better. Respect, responsibility, fair dealings.
I'm sorry.
Get your crew. Tell them to expect to be on that roof until it's fixed. And this time, I supervise the work personally. Does that satisfy you?
Yes, it does.
Thank you, Mr. Shea.
Patrick.
I haven't seen you put on a show like that since that sheriff back in Little Rock caught Sammy thinning the paint.
What a beautiful lady. She reminds me so much of Regina.
Uncle Patrick, we're not gonna really go back and redo that roof again, are we?
Oh, yes, we are.
I got a list of work a mile long. The roof will be perfect.
I know you're gonna call it my sixth sense.
You got that uneasy feeling?
Well, don't you?
Why? Just 'cause guy can't remember his cousin's telephone number? Doesn't know if his cousin's gonna be home when we get there? And wants to meet us in a diner that makes really bad coffee?
Maybe we should just forget it.
Well, it's kind of hard to forget about that price he quoted us.
But I don't know, it feels so shady.
Well, wouldn't hurt to look at it. Maybe we'll just look at this one a little bit harder.
Hello again. No more buckets in the middle of the night. I promise.
Good. I hate showering in bed. Excuse me.
Have dinner with me tonight.
With you?
Please, I'd like to make up for the roof.
Well, it's Erasmus's roof. Why don't you ask him to dinner?
Can he dance the beguine?
Well, what makes you think I can?
I'm an excellent judge of character. How does 5 o'clock sound? We'll get an early start.
Will the roof be done by 5 o'clock, Mr. Shea?
It's Patrick. I'm secretly hoping the roof will never be done. Hattie?
Make it 5:30.
Deal.
It's a go. Coffee? Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm glad you folks called. My cousin is real anxious to get that trailer off his hands.
So you were able to reach him after all?
Oh, yeah. Well, he called right after I talked to you.
Well, that's a nice coincidence.
Well, you know what they say about coincidences. It's God's way of staying anonymous.
Now, how many does it sleep?
Well, it'd accommodate my family real well if we didn't already have a trailer. And I got a big family. That's my wife and kids. Always keep them right here.
4 children.
Trust me, that's a lot of tar paper and shingles.
And where do they live?
Oh, everywhere. Down the road with me. It's the only life any of us have ever known. I've been doing it since I was their age, and, well, they'll be doing it until they're mine.
Well, we've only been at it for a couple of months, but we can certainly appreciate the appeal.
Really? You're buying this trailer to live in?
Well, the one you saw him towing off, that was our home.
I didn't realize that. And now you got me feeling guilty.
About what?
About making you wait this long. Hey, you must be dying to get into something new. You know, this coffee can wait. You folks can't. Come on, I'll take you out there right now.
Hello, Nathaniel.
Oh, it's you.
I don't dance the beguine, but I do a mean tango. Come in.
How is the roof, Mr. Jones?
I guess I'll have to wait for the next thunderstorm to find out.
You could turn it over and use it for a boat. That's how watertight it is now.
Hello, Patrick.
Hattie, you're the most radiant-looking creature in the entire state of Kentucky. Don't you agree?
The roof better not leak and her heart better not break, right?
You have my word on it.
Grandma, I can't believe you're going out with him. He didn't even bring you flowers.
I didn't need to.
Huh?
The things this boy keeps in his head. For you, my dear.
I don't know which one of you to thank.
He said it himself, Grandma. He's sneaky.
I think I can handle him. Now, don't wait up. We won't be late. Will we?
We'll be early. Sunrise.
Yes, sir. It is beyond cherry. Not a scratch on it. You won't find one in better shape. Cash or cashier's check, and you can drive it away right now.
Well, you know, your asking price is so low, you're practically giving it away.
That's what I tried to tell him.
I thought the bank was about to foreclose on you.
Not if I can sell it first.
Well, yeah, but you can walk into any dealer right now and get low book for it.
Okay, I'll be honest with you. Me and the wife are splitting up. Big pain in the neck divorce settlement. I'm supposed to sell this thing and give her the money. But they didn't say how much I had to get.
So this is your revenge.
Nope. It's my pleasure. Look, I know this isn't just a toy to you folks. It's your home. Make me happy to see you fixed up in a nice one.
Well, it sure is a fine trailer. My family could really travel in style, something like this. But it just wouldn't go with that old truck we've been pulling with. We'd have to replace that, too.
I might even be able to help you there.
Really?
And we'd need new patio furniture
Yep.
to replace the camping tables and a decent awning.
Oh,
And new sleeping bags.
absolutely. Yeah, stuff.
Right.
We would need a lot of stuff. We'll get hooked on stuff. Stuff we couldn't afford. I mean, my severance check won't cover this.
No.
No. Of course, I could cheat and steal, lie. And the kids would see me do it and figure it was okay for them, too. But we would have one fine trailer, wouldn't we?
For whatever that's worth.
Not a lot, if you ask me. You got a fine family here, Don. Teach 'em well.
I thought you said it was a lock.
Oh, my, this is wonderful. And all of these people are relatives?
Nieces, nephews, cousins. Family's very important to me.
Well, of course.
I hope you don't mind having dinner with all of us.
Oh, no, actually, I'm looking forward to it.
I was hoping to convince you I'm not such a bad person after all, with all these people keeping me around.
I never thought you were a bad person. A bad roofer, maybe. Isn't this lovely? Thank you.
To you, dear Hattie, for lighting the flame in my heart when I thought it was dead forever.
That's a bit much, but I'm on it. You know what this reminds me of? There was a gypsy carnival that went through here when I was a little girl. You're not gypsies, are you?
Not by blood, certainly in spirit. You strike me as someone who understands that.
Oh, I do like a little adventure now and then. Oh, come on. I crave adventure. Ever since my family went on the road, well, every day's been more exciting than the last. I got a little gypsy in me. What is that, another magic trick?
Token of my admiration.
Oh, Patrick, what have you done? Oh, no, I couldn't. I couldn't. This is too
It
much.
would make me so happy if you would wear it.
Oh. What? just for now.
Perfect. Now is all we ever had.
How about a day off?
Oh, well, I don't know. I can try.
Yeah, this Traveler's all right. It's got to be.
The Travelers?
Well, that's what they call themselves. There's bands of them all over the country. You know, selling stolen trailers isn't their only scam. Yeah, they sell watered-down gasoline. They run home repair cons. They have rings of shoplifters, and then they fence the stolen merchandise. Just take a look at those photos, see if you recognize anybody. It's some, surveillance work we did last year.
Well, why don't you put a stop to them?
Well, we do sometimes. At least till they make bail. These guys are as slippery as they come, Mr. Green. You're lucky you didn't get taken.
These, home repair cons, what are they?
Roofing, mostly.
Russell?
Travelers?
This particular group is called the Huntsville Travelers.
I never heard of 'em.
Well, it's nice spacing, nice overlap. Snug, tight. I don't get it. They did a good job.
You said it would last me 10 years.
Well, they're con men. They'll say anything.
How long will it last?
20. It's a great roof. They lost money on it.
It just doesn't add up, Russell.
Maybe they're not con artists.
Maybe the man did it because he likes Grandma. Oh, when are Josh and Dinah coming back?
Their bus comes in a half an hour. What man?
The guy who keeps on kissing up to her and keeps on pulling stuff out of my ears.
Patrick Shea. He knows a little sleight of hand. And Hattie has been keeping company with him.
Yeah, she was keeping company with him last night. And she's keeping company with him today.
Is he setting her up for a scam?
Well, if he is, he's going to be disappointed. She doesn't have any property, doesn't have any money.
I think he loves her. And I think she's falling for him.
You gotta be kidding me.
Hey, Squirt.
Whoa, bald boy.
Josh!
Look at that, gone for a week. Boy, I didn't expect this kind of change.
Well, Grandma Watson said she'd pay me $50 if I cut it, so...
He got scalped.
I think it looks wonderful.
Worth every penny.
Where's the trailer?
It's gone, honey. Man came just the other day.
Nathaniel, why don't you come in the house with me?
You mean gone?
Forever?
Well, we looked at some other trailers, and we have choices.
I don't believe this.
Daddy,
What?
that's it? No goodbyes, no last looks, nothing?
24 states, 10 vacations, it's off to the junk heap just like that? I don't believe that.
Well, the insurance company's probably already sold it for salvage. But I guess I could call and find out where it is.
It wouldn't hurt to make one last visit. One?
Oh, look at them go. I used to love swings.
I still do. They changed the way you look at the world.
I remember. I used to feel like a bird, soaring above it all.
It's not too late to feel like that again.
I'm a little rusty.
Ah, but you have me. Patrick Shea, swing pusher extraordinaire.
Well, how could I refuse?
Ready?
Ready.
Even your voice sounds like hers.
Really? Whose?
Oh, someone I used to admire very much. She had a way of living life, of really knowing that we're put on this earth to sing, to dance, to love, that it isn't tomorrow that's important or yesterday. It's right now.
It's funny, isn't it, that we have to be reminded of that every now and then. Right now, I feel just like a child, hearing this swing.
What did you think when you were a child?
Oh, I wanted to touch the sky.
The sky it is.
It was a great trailer.
It rules.
I can't believe you let him take it.
Well, you'll be just as happy with a new one.
Will we?
This is the one that took us to Roswell, New Mexico.
Graham Rally Music Festival.
I remember our first trip in this one. Donna, you were 4 years old.
Virginia Beach. Yeah, you're right. A new one's just not going to be the same.
Well, we'll just have to get used to it. Because this one belongs to the insurance company.
Actually, it belongs to the junkyard.
So we could buy it back legally.
Well, sure, we could. We were crazy enough. Could use that one over there for spare parts.
Do you think the insurance settlement will cover the costs?
Money's not the big problem, it's the amount of work we'd have to do. It'd be a lot easier just to hitch the truck up to something that's already put together.
We don't care how much work it is.
We'll do whatever it takes.
Honey, what do you think?
I think it's time to go to work.
Well, let's do it then. Josh, come on in here.
Such a beautiful place. And the service. And the food. Oh, so delicious. What I can't understand is why we're the only ones here. Thank you.
Well, I would be very distraught if we weren't. When a man rents an entire restaurant for an evening, he expects complete privacy. You remember in the park when I said you reminded me of someone?
Yes.
It was my late wife. The way you talk, your laugh, your smile. The moment I met you, you were like an old friend. Is this a terrible thing to confess?
Well, just so you're reminded, not confused.
Not confused, not now. I was attracted to you because of the similarities, but I'm in love with you because of the differences.
Tell me how.
Well, Regina never liked being on the road and it always called to me. You know, always another adventure. She put up with it, and she read. You could say that she lived her life in her books. Now, I promised her that one day we'd stay put. We belonged to a place. That day never came.
So you think I'm like you?
Oh, you want to go places, see things. Tell me the truth. If you'd stayed home when your family went on the road, would you be happy?
I wouldn't have missed any of this for the world.
You see, we're two of a kind.
Patrick, I have to ask you something.
This is the night for it.
Some people in town have been complaining about the work you and your family have been doing. They've even used the word scam. Is there something you haven't told me?
I love my workers. We're all from the same family. Some of them are more upright in their dealings than others, but we're an odd people. And so we're often blamed for things we didn't do.
That's a pretty odd answer.
But it's true. I will never mislead you. That's my promise. Hattie, You and I were made for each other. I want to love you and cherish you for the rest of our lives.
I'm flattered, but this is much too fast for me. I mean, I just can't handle it. That's just too. Oh my goodness.
I told you about my family. You did not believe me.
It's clean, Russell. Russell, stop scrubbing.
Hello, where is everybody?
Mama, you all right?
No, I'm not all right. Look,
You're engaged?
he's engaged. He says nothing on heaven or earth is going to keep him from marrying me. Tomorrow. There you are. I've just got to talk to you.
Morning, Mama.
Well, I'm glad you had the kindness not to say good. I've been awake all night.
Imagine you had been.
Is there any chance that the trailer could be finished by noon and we could just skedaddle out of here?
Mama, I just started on it.
Oh. We couldn't just put it on top of the car and drive away. Oh, I've never been so torn up about anything in my life.
What's there to be torn up about? He's a con artist.
He hasn't conned me. He's crazy about me. Of course, it's easy to forgive a man a lot if he worships the ground you walk on.
That's not what you told me when I first started seeing Claire. You warned me not to put her up on a pedestal.
That was Claire. She didn't like pedestals. I adore pedestals. Give me the first diamond I ever had in my life. Now I adore diamonds.
Mama, you're not thinking about...
Marrying him? Not a chance. Of course, he is definitely my type. Adventurous, funny, and so romantic. I could do worse.
Yeah, you could have to visit him in jail.
Did I ask for your opinion?
You said you wanted to talk.
Talk, not listen. Come on.
Mama, I'm beginning to worry about you.
I'm just going to work.
Do me a favor. Don't come home married.
Let me help you with those.
Oh, I'm sorry, Cecil. I'm just not worth 2 cents today.
Don't worry about it. I know what it's like to have a man break your heart.
Oh, he hasn't broken my heart. He's made it swell up and feel all full again.
And what does that mean?
I'm just overwhelmed.
You've heard the stories about him and his family?
Yes, I have. Somehow, they haven't quite sunk in. They don't act like criminals. I don't believe they know they are. Of course, I keep hoping the stories aren't true. I mean, if he were a real con artist, he'd go after the gift shop owner, not the temporary help.
Did Patrick give you this bracelet?
Yes, isn't it lovely? He keeps showering me with gifts.
14 karat gold, $119.95, with an inscription on the inside that says love is eternal.
Oh, your display case.
I'm sorry, Hattie. Keep it.
No.
We don't see many limousines out this way.
I'm out of Lexington. I was hired out to pick up Miss Hattie Green.
That's my mother.
You weren't hired by any chance by Mr. Patrick Shea, were you?
That's right. I'm supposed to take her to a trailer park out on Highway 16.
Well, she's not here right now. I sure would hate to think you had made that long trip for nothing.
Make sure that champagne's ice cold. More flowers here. More flowers. A little traveling music. Happy faces, everybody! Who are you?
Russell Green. You're expecting another member of my family, I think.
Russell. My son! Welcome to the family. The things I've heard about you, the way your mother goes on.
Yeah, me too. We need to talk.
Oh, you bet, absolutely. I've been looking forward to this.
You know, looking at you now, this whole thing makes a little bit more sense. Not a lot, but a little.
You look like a rain cloud ready to burst.
She's not coming.
She's not. And she sent you. She sent her son.
You know the police have a file on your family about that thick. You are everything that makes good people like her unhappy.
Is that so?
Leave her alone.
I can't do that.
I won't let you hurt her.
Hurt her? I want to protect her. I want to take care of her.
And steal for her and con for her and get her furs and diamonds.
I am not a criminal.
I know exactly what you are. You don't make a living, you make a stealing. All for the weak and the old, like a vulture, like a coward.
There is no sin in what I do.
Careful, that word stings.
Russell, you see, we all participate in a grand design. The operation of a natural law. This earth is filled with those who are gullible and those who are strong. Those who succumb and those who strive. We strive. We rise. It's the way we've lived for generations. It's our tradition.
How many roofs gonna leak this winter because of you? How many people are gonna be ruined? How many hearts will be broken?
It's my heart that's breaking.
Well, maybe it's about time you knew what that felt like.
Russell, you don't understand. I love her.
Look out.
Excuse me. I love you too. Oh, Patrick, you've given me the most wonderful time. There's a good man in there.
Russell may not realize it, but I certainly do.
Oh, I don't know who this belongs to, but I'm sure she feels lost without it.
Hetty, don't.
The sheriff was kind enough to give me a ride, and then let me speak to you first. Of course, he wants to torture you now. I told him about the stolen bracelet.
You turned me in.
Yes, I volunteered to testify against you. Not going to give me any pleasure, but if you need a character witness, I'd be happy to do that too.
Why are you doing this to me?
I'm sorry you have to ask. I think I know why Regina hid in her book so much. I know you know too.
Excuse us.
Sir, come with us, please.
Mama? Did you know I was gonna be here?
No.
You mean you were gonna come out here and do this all by yourself?
Well, it was my responsibility, not yours.
You know, Patrick was just talking about the generations of tradition in his family. Thank God for the traditions in ours. You are an inspiration to me and my children.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Love you, Mama.